All right, we're going to talk about angles within parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that never intersect. So the way that we form an angle is by using a transversal. Transversal is just the line that cuts through. Transversal then creates angles within the parallel lines that have special properties. So the first ones we're going to look at are alternate interior angles. So these are interior angles, so on the inside of the parallel lines, and they alternate. So I'm looking at angles 3 and 6. So angle 3 and angle 6. Those are alternate interior angles. And I have another pair, angle 4 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 5. Now, what do you notice about those two? 3 and 6, and then 4 and 5. They are congruent. Which means they are equal. 3 is equal to 6, they're the same degree. 4 is equal to 5. Okay, so that's alternate interior, alternating on the other side of the transversal, inside the parallel lines. Then I also have alternate exterior. So still alternating, but now I'm on the outside of those parallel lines. So now I'm looking at angles on the outside, angle 1, and I alternate. So this would be angle 1 and angle 8. Then I have another set, angle 2 and angle 7. Those are alternate exterior angles with themselves. Now, just like alternate interior, these angles are also congruent. So 2 is equal to 7, and 1 is equal to 8. So that's if I'm alternating. Then I can look at each group. So then I'm going to look at angles that are corresponding. So this is looking at the top section compared to the bottom section. So this is saying angle 1 in the top corresponds to angle 5 in the bottom. So angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 2 in the top corresponds to angle 6 in the bottom. Angle 3 corresponds to angle 7. And then I also have angle 4 corresponds to angle 8. Now, if we notice, since it's just the same grouping, these are also congruent angles. All right, the last kind we're going to talk about today is same side interior angle. So again, interior on the inside of the parallel lines, but now I'm talking about on the same side. So this would be angle 3 and angle 5. They're the same side of the transversal. And then similarly, angle 4 and angle 6. Now, if we look, those are not the same. Instead, these are actually supplementary. This means that 4 plus 6, so if I took angle 4 plus angle 6, that would equal 180 degrees. And the same way, angle 3 plus angle 5 would equal 180 degrees. That is same side interior angles. And we can use these properties to then manipulate and find other values.